and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the stop block.
The story behind this project is Kitten running across the road to get a basketball. So let's start by changing the background. We're going to have the suburbs background because it's got a nice road in it. So we select that, then press the tick to put Kitten into that background. Let's move Kitten slightly. Next, we're going to add an extra character, which is a basketball. So we press the plus below Kitten, scroll down and find our basketball. There it is. Select it and then press the tick. Next, we're going to hold onto the basketball and move it to the other side of the road at the bottom of the screen. Now, we're going to code Kitten now, not the basketball, because Kitten's going to be the one that's moving. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the yellow category, select the start on green flag block. Then we're going to go to the blue category and select the downwards motion block. And then we're going to go to the red category. Instead of the end program, we're going to have the repeat forever. So this will keep going round and round and round. What I'm going to also do is go now to the orange category and select the stop block but just put it there. It's not part of the program, but I can press that any time. So if we test this now, what's going to happen is Kitten is just going to go around, keep going down and down and down and down and down, and come through it's going to be like a loop. So let's show you. And that's just going to go on forever. But if I want to stop it, all I need to do is press the stop block and it stops. So let's reset that. You cannot do this though, however, in the full screen version. If I press the green flag, it's going to go and go and go forever. I could press the red hexagon, but that's going to stop the whole project, not specifically the Kitten program. So what I can do is I can go back to small screen and it's still going, and then I can press the stop block there. Okay, well done everyone.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.